Hi, welcome to Nat Nook's Florals. Today we're going to be making a Trader Joe's centerpiece. I got all of these flowers today from Trader Joe's, and the thing I love about Trader Joe's is the prices. So like this peonies right here, the bunch was $12.99, and last week at my local floral trade center, the market, they were $45. So even with a wholesale license, you can't beat just Trader Joe's pricing. The only thing is you're kind of at the mercy of whatever they have in stock that day. So today I saw these, which were beautiful, and they have this yellow center here. So I thought, you know what, why don't we try to pull some of the yellows out? And I got some of these garden roses, protea, and the tulips, and just a different array to make a really fun arrangement in this gold vase. Okay, let's get started.